I'm Dani and I come from Brazil. My background is marketing and I do love social media in general. I manage 11 people in my daily basis and my other marketing team, pretty much being a CEO, I can say. For video calls and for things what people really need to see my face, even deals, I try to use some oil or something to like just straighten my hair because it's easy going. I can just like put it in. Ta-da! Hello, hello. Taking a long shower, literally like feeling the water, feeling like I'm washing and everything. It's the time when I just leave everything out the door, including my phone. It's my time to myself. My natural hair is not ginger. It's like who I am and more my personality kind of. It feels like I'm ginger, so that's why I keep the color. But the cost of this is how dry my hair gets. The way I usually try to save my hair for all the dryness and for being dying so often is pretty much using a color sealer because that's safer to washing so many times and keeping this for longer.